can giving away free products actually result in you making more money? Sounds crazy, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how offering freebies can boost your Shopify sales. And I want to introduce you to an amazing app that can really make this super simple to pull off. By the end of this video, not only will you know how this strategy works, but also why it works. Tapping into the psychology of your customers, getting them to spend more money. I'm gonna give you a life hack into your customers' minds. So let's dive in. Imagine you just walked into one of your favorite stores and the item that you came to buy is on sale. But as you look around the store, you see a sign that says, for a limited time only, everything is buy one, get one free. So a light bulb goes off in your head and you start to think, what else could I buy from this store? Like, what else do I need? And you start shopping around and putting more items into your cart. Once you have finally checked out and walked out of the store, you realize that you spent a little bit more money than you planned to. But your reasoning is, hey, I couldn't pass up on this good deal. Now be honest, has this ever happened to you? Well, here's the secret to why this happens. You see, when customers are rewarded with something for free, after buying their intended item, they feel like they're getting an exclusive deal, which encourages them to spend more money on additional items that they may not have purchased otherwise. So by boosting the perceived value of their purchase, creating urgency, and just creating a great overall positive customer experience, all of this translates into higher sales. So now I want to share with you an app that could honestly make this strategy a breeze for your Shopify store. Now, the app is called Monk. Now, Monk is a very powerful app that automatically adds very enticing gifts to your customers' carts once they reach specific cart value thresholds. It's like setting up exclusive BOGO deals on autopilot. By rewarding your customers, you're encouraging them to keep putting items in their carts to reach that next threshold. And once this is all set up, there is zero extra effort on your end. Now I want to walk you through how to set up Monk so you can start boosting your Shopify sales today. Okay, so now let me walk you through setting up this app. So what you want to do is go to apps, then you're going to select all apps, and then from there you're going to select Shopify App Store. And then from there you want to type in Monk. Now, I've personally already downloaded this app, so I'm not going to show you how to install it. It's very easy to install, but I do want to let you know that they are offering a free 7-day trial. And after that 7-day free trial, the first month is only $1. So if you like the app and after trying it for 7 days, I do recommend that you sign up because this is a really, really good deal. And then after that, the pricing is still very, very fair for what you're getting with this app. So once you install it, you want to select open. Now, once you reach the app's homepage, it's going to go through the setup process. It's going to ask you to activate your free trial and to make sure that the app is enabled. And what you do to make sure that the app is enabled is you're going to go to your online store, go to themes, select customize, and then from there, there's going to be like an app embeds, and you just want to make sure that it's toggled on, okay? And that's how you know that the app is enabled. Very straightforward, okay? So once you do that, you want to go back to Monk and you want to set up your first funnel. Now, I know when you hear funnel, it may sound complicated, but trust me when I say it's very, very easy to do and set up, okay? So what you want to do is select gift, because this is where you're going to do your, get one free or, give your item away for free. So you're going to select gift and shipping. Then you're going to select free gift, okay? You're going to select next. And then you're gonna name your funnel. Now, this isn't really important. You can name your funnel whatever you want, but you could just keep this offer funnel 2 and call it a day. Now, this is gonna set your rule and your location. Now, for me, I recommend just select specific location. So if you only sell to the United States and you only want to give people a deal or a free gift that's in the United States, do that. You can also do it for select products or select collections. But for me, I'm just going to do United States. But this, again, can differ depending on the products that you are willing to give free gifts for, right? Then from there, you can select your time zone. Now, for me, I'm in Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to select Eastern Standard Time. And once you do this, you want to select next. Okay, so now that we landed on this page, I'm going to walk you through how to actually set up your free gift and the strategy that I recommend that you use. Now, this is where you select your milestones, okay? Now, for me, I recommend that you do 2 milestones. The first milestone should be free shipping. The second milestone should be your free gift. Now, for me and my brand, my free shipping milestone is at $79.99. Now, the reason why I came up with this is because this is a good place to where I can lose money on shipping and still be profitable. Now, this is something that you have to figure out for yourself. Every brand is different, but for me, I think $79.99 or $79 is a good place where I figured out I can still be profitable and give away free shipping and be fine, okay? And then the second milestone is where you give your free gift. Now, I would play with it, but I would say anywhere between $120 or $150, or you could do like 100% over whatever your first milestone is. Now, I know technically 100% would be $160 from the free shipping, but I would say, 50 to 100% over what your first milestone is, give or take, okay? So I would select, for me and my brand, 150 is going to be the next milestone where I'll give somebody a free gift. Now, I run a clothing brand, so giving somebody a free gift based on clothing is kind of tough. So the free gift is going to be a hat, okay? This is very simple because all the sizes are the same, right? So the free gift is going to be a hat. Boom, you just put that in there and you are good to go with your milestones. Now, as you scroll down, there is some language that you can change if you want to be a little bit more specific with your free gift. So instead of saying free gift, I can say free hat or whatever product that you want to put in there. You can be as specific as you want, okay? But you definitely understand the gist. And then from there, it shows you how your design will look like. So on desktop, this is the design. If you want to change it, you could do this design. If you want to change it to icons, you can do this. I personally like the icons the best. And then you can see what it looks like on mobile, same thing, title, marker, icon. So boom. And you can change the layout of how your products look in your cart, okay? And so you can edit your design if you like, if you want to change your colors, all that fun stuff. So you can be as, anal, if you will, on how this stuff looks. But for me, for this tutorial, I'm just going to keep everything the same, okay? So you're going to select Save Changes. And then once you feel good about it, you're going to hit Activate Funnel. I already have a funnel set up, so I can show you what the preview looks like so you understand what it looks like in your store. Okay, so now I'm on my website and I'm going to show you how Monk works in real time. So right now I want to add a t-shirt. Boom. I'm going to add another t-shirt and I'm going to add a hoodie. I've reached my first threshold, okay? So I've now reached free shipping, but if I want to get a free hat or a free gift, I have to reach 150. And it tells you that, I'm $15 away from getting a free gift. So I'm like, okay, Cool. Let me add another t-shirt. Let's add this shirt here. Boom. Okay, so now I'm eligible for a free gift. So once you're eligible for the free gift, you can now add this gift for free, okay? Which is the hat. So all you got to do, all your customers have to do is add to cart. And now that hat is going to show up for free. That's essentially how this app works. Now, at this point, you know the exact strategy and app that can help you boost your sales, but you have one big problem. If you're not able to overcome this problem, nothing in this video that I showed you honestly really matters. So check out this video right here where I share with you what this problem is and how you can solve it.